In their very first interview ever together, I take immense pride to welcome Mr. Swapnil Jain and Mrs. Priya Jain. I'm delighted to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on my show.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, you are high profile as a professional, but very few know about you as a personal. So why are you so mysterious? Why you are not in reach? Why is it resistance or shyness? What?
I don't think that
You're not available.
I'm not available or I'm mysterious. If you want to know anything about me, you can get to know from anyone. I'm active on social media also, a little bit, not very much, but
Yes.
active on social media also. And for anyone contacting me, it's too easy.
Easy.
आपने भी contact कर लिया, आप भी interview लेने आ गए.
Yes, but it
very
took
easy.
a lot of time, but that's okay. So, well, your father's odyssey has been chronicle here, but I'm not going into that.
My
But father's odyssey has been very much chronicle here. I'm not going into that, but I definitely want to know that how was your childhood, how you were brought up. Was it very disciplined, or you were a naughty child, or a very sophisticated one?
It was more like any same Indian family जिसके यहाँ जो बच्चे बड़े होते हैं, सेम मेरा ही बचपन रहा है. कोई ऐसा बहुत मैं कहूँ डिफरेंट नहीं रहा बाकी लोगों से, जैसा सबका रहता है. एंड नॉटी तो मैं था, ऐसा नहीं है मैं नॉटी नहीं था. आई वॉज नॉटी. I was sent to boarding, just not I was naughty, but because of different reasons. And मैंने boarding schools भी किए.
Okay. So,
तो बचपन मेरा बहुत अच्छा बीता है.
okay.
बहुत जगह बीता है, different places में बीता है. So बचपन I would say till class 10th को मैं बचपन तक मानता हूँ.
Okay.
तो class 10 तक मैंने बहुत सारी जगह घूम लिया.
Okay. So please, you yourself, please let us know about your studies and schooling and boarding, as you say that.
I did my schooling from I think I changed around 5 or 6 schools. I'm not sure. So it's all started with Sajan Kumar.
Okay.
School है, बहुत छोटा सा school है आगरा रोड पे.
Okay.
Then I joined OLF, Our Lady of Fatma,
Yeah.
which is one of the
Leading
oldest school and leading school in Aligarh.
Yeah.
And I was there till class 4th. And class 5th, 6th and half of 7th I did from GD Birla Ranikhet.
Okay.
So this is Ranikhet is a place above Nainital, Kumaon. And then I joined DPS RK Puram and was there from 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th.
Okay.
11th I did from Aligarh Muslim University, and then went back to Delhi and did my 12th from GD Goenka Vasant Kunj.
That means you have so many
So I
switches.
think Sajan Kumar, OLF, GD Birla, DPS RK Puram, AMU Plus, and then GD Goenka. So 6 schools.
You are having a long list.
So 6 schools. So average 2 साल हर स्कूल में मैंने बिताया. Average में बात करें तो.
Okay, fine, good. So was you a very good student, an average one, or a brilliant one? How you rate yourself?
I was not a very brilliant child and not very brilliant studies, और मेरा कोई बहुत शौक भी नहीं रहा कभी पढ़ाई. But ठीक है, 60, 70, 75, 80, 60 to 80% के बीच वाला मैं बच्चा रहा. And ना ही मेरे को कभी ऐसा प्रेशर रहा कि नहीं you have to score 90% and above, something like that. So ऐसा ना कभी फैमिली से प्रेशर रहा, ना मेरे मन में कोई ऐसा प्रेशर रहा कि मुझे बहुत ब्रिलियंट होना है और कुछ डिफरेंट करना है.
Okay, good. So, apart of studies, you said कि मेरा बहुत इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं था. So, what are your hobbies? What do you like?
So my main interest was since childhood that I wanted to be a cricketer.
Cricketer.
बट ठीक है, कुछ फैमिली सर्कमस्टांसेस ऐसे थे कि मेरा क्रिकेट कंटिन्यूस लेवल पे उस तरीके से नहीं हो पाया. सो तो मेरा क्रिकेट तो चला, आज भी चलता है, लेकिन जो प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेट मेरा खेलने का मन था वो कभी नहीं हुआ. एंड फिर स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेज एंड बिजनेस साथ में चलते रहे.
Okay.
So my main hobby was cricket.
Cricket.
And it is still cricket and will be cricket.
And you promote cricket a lot.
Yeah,
I have
I
seen.
do promote cricket a lot. मेरे साथ मैं कुछ academies भी चला रहा हूँ. कुछ बच्चे, बहुत सारे बच्चे भी मेरे साथ खेलते हैं. आज भी मैं प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेट खेलने ट्रैवल भी करता हूँ. मेरी टीम है खुद की. And apart from cricket मुझे थोड़ा बहुत शौक है, तो I love driving. So I'm fond of cars.
Cars.
That is only 2
Hobbies.
hobbies और 2 अच्छे शौक जो मैं पालता हूँ.
Good. I always call you the Swapnil ji. The Swapnil. So, what do you enjoy more, being the Swapnil or Swapnil, or what is Swapnil actually? So,
So
the people think like you are, I always call you like you are an iPhone or a Rolls Royce car that doesn't need any advertising. So, only the, no? Other than that, the people need to be. So what do you enjoy really?
So I actually love being called Shanu, which is my home name.
Okay, Shanu.
मुझे घर के सभी लोग शानू ही बुलाते हैं और दी स्वप्निल जैन तो मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं कि आई शुड बी कॉल्ड दी स्वप्निल जैन. इट्स ऑलवेज शानू या भैया, सब लोग मुझे बुलाते हैं, मैं उसी में बहुत खुश हूँ.
ओके, तो आपके जो पेरेंट्स हैं दोनों बहुत रैपिड और बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुली, मुझे शायद बोलना भी चाहिए कि अब जो आपकी जो बॉन्डिंग है दोनों में से, मम्मा के साथ ज़्यादा है या आपके फादर के साथ
इट्स
ज़्यादा है?
ऑलवेज कि मोस्टली पाया गया है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई,
Mama's boy.
एनी आंसर ऑफ व्हाई फॉर दिस, बट लड़के की बॉन्डिंग हमेशा माँ से ज़्यादा रहती है एंड लड़की की बाप से ज़्यादा रहती है. तो एज द वर्ल्ड सेज, मेरी माँ से ही हमेशा से बॉन्डिंग ज़्यादा ही.
वन क्वेश्चन ये मुझे लगता है सभी को जानना होगा. इज़ देयर एनीथिंग दैट स्वप्निल वांटेड एंड स्टिल अनटच्ड, a part of cricket, as you said that? So a part of cricket
That I wanted and still untouched.
still untouched.
Retirement.
That you never get, that you can't get.
Because I actually planned my retirement in 2020.
Okay.
And circumstances कुछ ऐसे बने कि यार मैं retirement नहीं ले पाया. तो I am still working and I am still waiting कि मैं जल्दी से जल्दी retirement लूँ.
I don't agree with that.
This is actual fact. So see, one of my friend, my age, so I went to him for some work and he said, "भाई मैं retirement ले लिया." I was like, "What are you doing now?" Well, I'm enjoying my life. So that is the same thing which I also want. कि यार ठीक है, बहुत काम हो गया. I started working after class 12th, so 2003.
Yeah.
So it's almost what 13 and it will be 20 years in 2023.
Right.
I think तब तक मैं retirement ले लूँगा.
Okay. I always found Jainism is very difficult to follow, no? Just because of so many things, discipline and other things. So, could you please share something about, like, I think it's the toughest religion I
don't
follow.
think so. कि Jainism is tough to follow. It is
very disciplined.
Your willpower, which makes you follow the same. So in our house, as you know, I told you
Yeah.
कि मैं boarding में रहा हूँ.
Right.
तो till 2006, 15th August 2006, I was like a pure vegetarian guy,
Oh, great.
but not following a Jain food diet.
Okay.
And 15th August 2006 was the day I started following the Jain food diet. My wife Priya, I don't think so she ever had anything other than Jain food
Wow, that's good.
since childhood.
Okay.
And similarly, my both kids, one will be 11 this September and one will be 3. So they also follow the same diet.
Same diet.
And in this diet, I want to say कि we don't take anything after sunset also.
Yes.
Not anything. We have some liberty over there. We don't take cereals after sunset.
Right.
So that is still what is left to leave. But we follow the Jain food norms. No Jamaican.
So many things.
तो बहुत दूर की बात है.
Pace canteen also follow the norms, the same, like in
Yes.
canteen or in hostel also, or everywhere.
So whatever हमारे जो भी institute हैं, be it education institute or our companies, factories, so we follow our same rule that अगर हमारी canteen वहाँ पे चल रही है, which is maintained by, so we follow a Jain diet and we give Jain food only in our canteens.
Yes.
So be it
that I-
schools
I'm
or
aware of.
or factories.
So, in factories also you.
Yeah, in factories also.
That's very good.
In factories also, but it's not that you can't carry non-Jain food in your defense. So non-Jain food a person or a student can carry in their defense, but they are not allowed to carry non-veg or egg product.
Okay, good. That's good, I think. So let's take a rapid fire.
Yeah.
So, how much prompt you are, that's okay. Just take your time. But still just write that. If you were a spy, whom you want to check out and why?
No one.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm not interested.
Okay.
I'm interested in my life only.
Easiest way to win your heart.
Easiest way to win my heart. Games,
Okay. Sports.
sports.
Describe yourself in one adjective.
Too hard for me. I can't describe myself. Sorry.
It wasn't that difficult, I guess.
No, I am sorry. I don't know how to describe myself.
In one word.
So I don't know what I can answer.
Okay.
Do you have any कुछ मेरे पास वो हैं क्या choices? तो भाई इनमें से कुछ हाँ do you have any options?
No.
No, so I'm sorry मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ?
Okay, let it be. One rumor about you.
One rumor about me.
Yeah, many.
There are many.
Seriously.
there are
One
many.
you want to share.
I came to know कि भाई लोग कहते हैं कि मैं बहुत ड्रिंक करता हूँ. I was shocked. अच्छा मैं ड्रिंक भी करता हूँ. मुझे तो पता नहीं था. So one which I
Yes,
came
so-
to know recently कि I'm a hardcore drinker.
Seriously.
But I am not. And बाकी तो there are many.
Okay.
मेरे को
हाँ,
बहुत
वो-
एटीट्यूड है, मेरे में बहुत गुस्सा है, बट बहुत है इतना नहीं है. एटीट्यूड की बहुत सुनता हूँ कि मैं बहुत एटीट्यूड में रहता हूँ.
People I came to know na, so many, they all appreciated you. Your staff, including your staff, a few other persons who know you, they appreciate you, that you are very generous, very kind and very helping.
So
And
this
during
is-
COVID also you helped them a lot.
वो एटीट्यूड वाले जो लोग शायद मेरे से दूर है ना, वो कहते हैं ना क्या खट्टे हैं अंगूर वाला thing.
True. My personal experience is, seriously, I always used to say sorry to him. Whenever I said sorry, I didn't. And still today also I got late and I should say apologies to you. A little personal. Who was your first crush?
Was my first crush. Wow. Class first. Or
You
maybe
remember
class
that?
Nursery, Pallavi Jain.
Okay.
My class and even our that area only.
We are same colony.
Not same colony, but we were known to each other, family friends kind of stuff.
She's on your FB?
I don't think so. She's on my FB. I don't know. Must
She's
be.
going to check it now. Okay. Then whom you want to date with?
Date with.
Apart of her.
Part of her. No one. I'm
Anyone,
not
any
interested.
actress,
No one.
any sports
There was a
person?
time, अब तो कोई भी नहीं. एक टाइम था.
हाँ, तो
ठीक है.
किस पे था उस टाइम पे कि मेरे को इसके साथ डेट पे जाना है?
पे जाना है. So मैं माँ से मैंने कहा 2 बार कि यार ये कैटरीना कैफे बहुत अच्छी लगती है ना. Then Jennifer D'Souza was one nice lady I found after that movie. कौन सी थी उसकी वो पप्पू का डांस वाला वाला. That was
So there are two choices. Fine. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming on our show. And first thing I want to know, was it a arranged marriage or a love marriage?
Totally arranged.
Totally arranged. So where both of you met first?
Never ever.
Never.
Where means
Means शादी से पहले हाँ कभी नहीं मिले,
महीना पहले जब देखने आए थे.
It's not like
कभी नहीं मिले?
Yeah,
उससे
no,
पहले
no.
कभी?
बात भी नहीं करी.
No, no.
Seriously?
Yes. I have not been to UP before
Okay.
that. Before my marriage.
And you belongs to
I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. And
जब
you
आई हो
are
ना तुम.
okay.
Yeah, I just
Pehले,
came. हाँ.
For this मंदिर.
For that tour, we have to do.
Religious
that.
tour.
Okay. And then means एक बार ही तो देखा होगा, कुछ तो
No,
फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन होगा.
No, no, nothing.
शादी से
Nothing.
तो बस मिलने आए थे एक दूसरे को, बस वही मुलाकात थी.
हाँ, तो फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन कैसा था, कुछ तो सोचा होगा. So first impression about him. What you think when you saw him first?
I was so very sure that I'm going to
To
be-
marry this
Rejected.
man.
No, rejected. You're not going. I was very confident that कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है, सब कुछ ठीक होगा. I'm just going because I'm like a person जो मम्मी पापा ने कहा मैं okay with it and
Okay.
I'm happy with it.
Okay.
So they asked me and then I said okay, I don't have problem, I'll come with you. तो
Okay.
पूरे रास्ते I was very sure that कुछ नहीं होना है and हम जैसे वापस जा रहे हैं मम्मी पापा के साथ, हमें वैसे ही वापस आना है.
What was your age at that time?
19.
19. You're too young to take any decision, na, right? To get married. I mean, I think you were studying that time.
Yeah, I was
So what
doing
you were
my
studying? Engineering from
Computer science
Madhya
from
Pradesh.
Jabalpur.
Okay, Jabalpur. Fine. So you were a brilliant child or an average one?
Not an average and not an brilliant, between both of that.
Okay. So you have plans, your future plans, like like each and every.
I have a plans to stay with my family. Whatever I'm going to do, whether it be study or a job, I'll be
There.
in my house and do. And I'm not very fond of doing jobs and all, but I love to study. That's it.
Okay, so means her impression was not was so good that has decided she is not going to marry you. That she was very sure. And what is your first impression about her when you met her and saw her? What your opinion, first
I
impression?
think next day only I said yes
Yeah.
from my side.
Naito, when you saw me first, she's asking.
How you realize? I mean, how you found her?
No, so how I found her, मतलब in the way, ठीक है यार, एक डिसेंसी गर्ल है एंड जो मेरा घर है, जो मेरे घर के
Family
फैमिली
values हैं.
हैं एंड शी इज अ फिट केस फॉर दैट.
Okay. So first, we can say love at first sight. Starting of love at first. Okay. But
मैं
first
still
of all,
remember जब ये आए थे तो उस दिन हमने 2 लड़कियां देखी थी एक ही दिन,
okay,
एक ही समय में.
right.
सो इट वाज एक का आना एक का जाना, एक का आना एक का जाना. सो वन ऑफ माय वेरी गुड फ्रेंड वो भी मेरे साथ था.
His name is
Vivek Oswal. His name is Guddu.
Okay.
His name is Vivek Oswal. We call him Guddu.
Okay.
So वो मेरे साथ था. एंड पहली लड़की तो ये थी. ये आई और ये गई. एंड सेकंड आई तो नीचे से ही मैसेज में नो नो नो. सो आई थिंक ओके तो वो नो तो आई थिंक ओके यस.
Okay, that's good, interesting. जब भी ऐसा होता है कि जब हस्बैंड वाइफ हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है झगड़ा तो होता होगा, तो कौन पहले स्टार्ट करता है? Is he right? He's targeting you.
No,
Pointing
he's
you.
targeting me, but not always.
Okay, sometimes.
मतलब I admit
So
कि
means
होता है
99
but
times
it's
she
not
and
like
1 time
90.
must be
no,
me.
No, no.
अच्छा, who says
I'm
sorry
very
first?
honest.
वो तो मैं बोलता हूँ. तो एक ट्रेंड है, हमें बोलना पड़ता है.
This is
Is this
also
right?
true.
वो भी 99
It's
times मैं
always
बोलता हूँ, 1 time से बोलती हूँ.
60-40, 60-40. Maybe
Okay.
he's
60-40 तो नहीं. चल
60 टाइम, अगर
95
60% भी वो बोल रहे हैं तो दैट मीन्स ही इज
हाँ.
सेइंग सॉरी.
95 टाइम्स में
तो ये भी तो हो सकता है कि गलती उन्हीं की हो.
हाँ बिल्कुल. नहीं, हस्बैंड्स की ही होती है गलती. आई एग्री विद दैट. तो मीन्स आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री तो बहुत कमाल की है. तो इसका क्रेडिट किसको जाता है, दोनों को या इसमें भी परसेंटेज है?
नहीं, obviously
दोनों को जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग
You
है,
have to mutually understand.
दोनों.
जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ जेन्युइनली बहुत अच्छी है.
He's a very good son.
ओके.
He's a very good father.
हस्बैंड इज स्टिल नॉट रेटेड इन द लिस्ट.
He's a very genuine personality.
Okay. Still, his husband is not there in the list. So I just want to.
Personality
That's very
है.
good. हाँ. His favorite food.
Actually, he is foodie.
So what is favorite one? What is
Favorite.
picky
There
one?
are so many categories. Like, if you want an Indian, an instant answer, then it will be a khichdi.
Is she right?
Any kind of khichdi, किसी भी दाल की, किसी भी चावल के साथ, you
Okay.
just mixed it and give.
Correct. Okay. Place to hang out. Favorite.
Nothing. Bedroom only.
क्यों?
Where we go, it's only a long drive, which is not which is not happening right now. So a long drive. You
Long
can
drive.
say.
Is she right, or you have a particular place that to hang out?
I enjoy shopping, so I love to go to.
But ये दोनों के साथ पूछ रही है ना.
नहीं,
In the
दोनों के
shopping-
साथ
नहीं नहीं,
सिर्फ
only
वो से मेरे
only
जैसे
only
only.
only for
yeah,
him.
yeah. तो he loves shopping.
तो मैं कहाँ जाता हूँ बता, एक ही जगह.
Shopping malls.
Oh, no, not in India.
Okay.
Either Dubai or London.
Good.
You just leave him over there and don't ask.
Okay.
And you don't want to know where you are also.
So where you first together, where you went? कहाँ गए थे आप लोग सबसे पहले घूमने?
We went Shimla.
Shimla, India. Okay, good. So his favorite color?
Favorite color? white.
White. Is she right? No,
Why?
you're losing. You tell
He
what you
wants every car in white color.
that is a different, but
He
I
wants-
like blue color.
blue
He
color.
wants,
Okay.
But मेरी गाड़ियों का कलर white.
White
Many
होता है।
of
वो
his
royal
shirts
लगता है
and
बहुत।
t-shirts are in white.
Right.
That is because मेरी ऑफिशियल ड्रेस white है ना.
It's not
पावना की ड्रेस white है.
But we will go with you. Your favorite color is blue.
Blue.
Okay. And your his favorite movie.
Like
He watch movies. He does. He does.
He
We
does.
we just know. Get
he
to know.
does. He does. Family movie like हम साथ
Seriously?
साथ हैं,
बागबान
हम
type.
आपके
Yeah,
हैं
yeah.
कौन.
That's good. You're a family person.
बागबान.
Good.
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
She is right means,
Yeah,
huh? Okay. So his favorite actress.
Like he said Katrina.
Katrina Kaif,
He
that's-
generally doesn't talk about anyone.
Okay. Okay. Rate him in increasing order.
Okay.
Arrange him, or I can say
ऐश्वर्या है.
Aishwarya Rai Law.
अभी तो आपसे
पर वो
पूछा
डेट
था,
की बात थी. सी फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस इज डिफरेंट ना.
तो I don't know
हाँ,
because
so that is
ऐसे कभी
ऐश्वर्या।
भी
Okay, Aishwarya
कभी
Rai.
बोला नहीं.
चलिए ठीक है.
favorite too.
So give me a little credit that now you would you know. Okay. Well, please arrange him in increasing order. Husband, father, a business tycoon, son, or as a human being. Just arrange him.
Three to I have told you.
Yes,
Like
son, father,
and human being.
And then business tycoon, and then husband.
Yes.
हाँ?
Okay, good one. So now it's your turn.
Okay.
One thing I left. Just 3 bad things about him. You think कि हाँ यहाँ पे little bit he need to improvise. So 3 ऐसी चीज़ें.
जी जी जी.
Bad things would be तीन.
सोचना पड़ रहा है. You already
हाँ, मतलब-
winner.
Just the thing like sometimes he doesn't want to listen even. He said no, I have done it and it's fine. So I think there is a bit improvement needed.
Okay.
And
Rest there
That's-
is nothing.
yeah.
Okay, good one. So now it's your turn, sir.
जी.
3 good things about her.
Caring,
Okay,
hardworking,
good.
and लघु.
What?
लघु means मैं अगर किसी चीज के पीछे पड़ गई ना तो बस वो पड़ गई, फिर वो खत्म करना है.
अरे वेरी गुड. ओके. एंड और 3 खराब बातें जो आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ.
बहुत सारी हैं.
गुस्सा,
ओके.
गुस्सा, गुस्सा.
ओके.
Not that much angry.
हाँ, इसके अलावा और कुछ है नहीं ना. तो इसे तीनों में गुस्सा ही पड़
No,
गया.
no, no. It means I have that much.
नहीं नहीं, it doesn't mean you have that
कि
much.
हाँ,
It means कि
कि-
मैं बस एक ही चीज है इसको मैंने 3 जगह फिल कर दिया.
ओके. हर फेवरेट फूड.
Her favorite food. हाँ. Her favorite food is Indian, but obvious she don't like any other thing. Is Indian and अगर particularly
सारे हस्बैंड्स फेल होते हैं.
नहीं अगर पर्टिकुलर बात करो ना तो वो दाल गोभी टमाटर में छुकी हुई विद चावल है ना, और वो भी हाथ से खाना या राजमा चावल.
ओके. राजमा चावल.
No, first one is right.
First
दाल
one is
रोटी
right.
चावल. मतलब
Okay.
हाँ, if मुझे मिलता नहीं
वो भी
तो मैं
टमाटर में
फिर-
छुकी हुई.
अच्छा. ओह गुड. ही नोज इट. अच्छा, प्लेस टू हैंग आउट. दैट प्लेस शी लाइक एनीथिंग.
शी जबलपुर.
जबल मायका.
मायका.
मम्मी
उसको
घर.
छोड़ के.
हाँ, अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट.
Apart of that.
इट्स अ सेफ आंसर ना.
It's a safe answer. That's
Apart from that, तो मेरे साथ कहीं मैं ऐसे घुमाने ही नहीं ले गया. So मैं ऐसे 2 ही जगह ले गया, दुबई और लंदन. And I think उसको तीर्थ स्थान में जाने का बहुत शौक है जो मैं करा नहीं पाया हूँ उसका. I think that's place to hang out.
Wherever the family is there, na, the place is
So
good and
mostly it's Jabalpur. I'm sure, pretty
It's
sure.
not
about
like
it.
Jabalpur.
So you
If
which
he
one?
and my kids and they are with me, and that's the place where I can hang out.
Any place.
Any place.
Okay. And color. Difficult one.
नीला ही होगा या गुलाबी होगा.
This boys for blue and girls for pink.
I don't know. कौन सा?
Red.
Red. Okay.
Red.
movie? She watch movies?
Yeah, again, family kind of
Family
movies.
movies, okay.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum and all those things.
Okay, thank you so much. And here we close the interview. Thank you so much for
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. very
having such a wonderful time.